Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here when you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer after some time, and I would see only me in the mirror, but you're still here looking at me. So when you said forever, was it a lie? What did you mean? Was the story really over? You know in my book it was you and me. I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like needing to move on. Mama, it was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here when you're not. I wish you're gone. I still
If you
nothing left to say. Maybe Instagram will help with you, but seeing happy couples makes me ill. So pretty looking girl showing off some pretty cash, and I'm pouring lonely in my bed. Yeah, I don't wanna leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put this slate on your chair. This one, but I guess I won't do that. It's your mistake, you're sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. I'll see you again. It's your mistake, you're sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. Blacklist has your name. I wish someone could make me smile. We would talk and spend less time. Seems so easy, it ain't easy. Why? Oh, why? It's your mistake, you're sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. I'll see you again. It's your mistake, you're sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. Blacklist has your name. Every time I'm in the mirror, I see you looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand, kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months I want to 기다려 love. I think I'm falling in love. 바라보고 있어. We make a beautiful, we make a universe. 이 꿈속에서 깨지 않게 해줘. We make a beautiful, we make a universe. If you like, 좀 천천히. If you alone, 다가와줘. 또 if you want, 사랑해도 되는지 알고봐. 난 언제든 only see you. 이제부터 날 What you like, call you. 좋아하는 만큼 make it Yeah, if you like, if you alone, 언제든 only see you. 이 말은 어디 참 어려웠어. Maybe you don't know me. 모든 게 I like it. 사랑이란 게 원래 참 쉽지 않아. 이렇게 바라보니 넌 You look like me. Ooh, like a beautiful, like a universe. 이 꿈속에서 우린 또 만들어. Like a beautiful, like a universe. If you like, 좀 천천히. If you